Dogs, doggos, puppers, our furry friends, whatever you call them, they're the most beloved animals in the world. If you're a pet parent, you've probably seen your dog snooze in the strangest positions, paws in the air, curled into a tight ball, or sprawled out like a pancake. But here's something you might not know. Those adorable sleeping positions can reveal a lot about your dog's emotions, personality, and even their health. In this video, we'll uncover the secrets behind 10 common dog sleeping positions and what they say about your furry best friend. 1. The side sleeper. Do you have a pup who sleeps on their side? Well, congratulations. You've got yourself a happy and comfortable pup. When your dog sleeps like this, it's a clear sign they feel safe, secure, and totally relaxed in their environment. In fact, side sleeping allows dogs to enter a deep, restorative sleep, which is when those adorable twitches and vivid dreams tend to happen. This position isn't just for young, carefree pups. Even senior dogs with achy joints find relief when they sleep on their side. It takes pressure off their spine and joints, providing maximum comfort while promoting healthy breathing. If your four-legged friend loves this pose, rest assured, they're as happy as can be. 2. The donut curl. Have you ever noticed your pup curled up nose to tail, forming a perfect little ball? By tucking their legs and tail close to their body, dogs conserve body heat and protect their vital organs, a survival instinct passed down from their wild ancestors. It's no surprise that this pose is a favorite during colder months or in drafty spots. Beyond warmth, the donut curl can also signal a need for comfort or security. When a dog sleeps in this position, they're instinctively creating a cozy, safe space, like their ancestors would in dens. 3. The lion's pose. When your dog sleeps with their head resting on their paws, like a regal lion, they're not in a deep sleep. Instead, they're just resting and staying alert. This position is often chosen by protective dogs who are ready to spring into action at a moment's notice. If your dog naps like this near doors or by your feet, they're keeping an eye out for anything unusual. 4. The belly-up position. Does your dog sleep on their back with their paws up in the air? It may look silly, but this position says a lot about their comfort level. Dogs that sleep belly up are showing ultimate trust and relaxation. They're exposing their most vulnerable areas, which means they feel completely safe in their environment. It's also a way to cool off since dogs release heat through their paws and belly. So, if your pup loves this pose, they're happy, relaxed, and confident. 5. The cuddle bug. If your dog insists on snuggling up against you or even sprawling right on top of you, congratulations. You've got yourself a true cuddle bug. This sleeping position is one of the most heartwarming and shows just how deeply affectionate and loyal your pup is. Dogs who sleep like this crave closeness, bond deeply with their humans, and often can't stand being alone. For them, cuddling is the ultimate source of comfort, safety, and love. Experts say this position not only strengthens the bond between you and your dog, but also helps reduce their anxiety. When they're snuggled up, your presence reassures them, making them feel protected and secure, just like they would in a pack. 6. The Superman pose. Picture your pup lying on their belly with all four legs stretched out, like they're ready to soar into the sky. Adorable, right? This position isn't just cute, it's functional too. By pressing their belly against the cool floor, dogs regulate their body temperature, making it a favorite choice after playtime or during warmer days. Puppies and highly energetic dogs are the biggest fans of this pose because it allows them to rest quickly without fully switching off. It's the perfect mix of relaxation and readiness, so they can jump back up at a moment's notice and dive into their next adventure. 7. The back-to-back position. If you wake up with your dog's back pressed snugly against yours, consider it the ultimate sign of trust and love. This position harks back to pack behavior, where dogs would sleep close to their family members for warmth and protection. By sleeping back to back with you, your pup is saying, "I feel safe, secure, and completely at ease with you by my side." Affectionate breeds like Golden Retrievers, Bulldogs, and Cavalier King Charles Spaniels are especially fond of this cozy sleeping arrangement. It's their way of bonding while still respecting a little personal space. 8. The burrower. Does your pup love diving under blankets, pillows, or even your laundry pile? Meet the burrower. Dogs who favor this position are often seeking warmth, security, and comfort, much like their wild ancestors who burrowed into dens to stay safe and cozy. This instinct to hide creates a snug, protected environment that helps them feel relaxed and at ease. For dogs with anxiety or nervous tendencies, burrowing can be especially soothing. Providing a soft blanket or creating a small den-like space, like a covered crate or cozy corner, can work wonders in helping them feel calm and protected. So, the next time you find your dog cocooned under your favorite blanket, know that they're simply finding their perfect safe haven. 9. Belly down. Have you ever noticed your pup stretched out flat on their belly, often on cool tiles or the pavement during a warm day? This position is a clever way for dogs to cool themselves down when they're feeling too hot. Whether it's the Superman pose, legs stretched out like they're ready to fly, or the lion's pose with their head resting on their paws, the goal remains the same: to press their tummy against a cold surface and regulate their body temperature. Dogs with thick coats, like Huskies or Malamutes, and flat-faced breeds such as Bulldogs and Pugs, are more prone to overheating, so this position becomes their go-to strategy to stay comfortable. If you see your pup snoozing belly down on a hot day, just know they found their perfect cool-down spot, and maybe offer them some water for an extra refresh. 10. Head and neck raised. Have you ever spotted your pup snoozing with their head propped up on a cushion, armrest, or even the edge of their bed? While it may look unusual, this position can offer some important insights about your dog's comfort and health. Dogs often raise their head and neck to make breathing easier, especially if they're experiencing mild respiratory issues or congestion. This position helps open up their airways and allows for smoother breathing while they rest. On the other hand, some dogs simply find this position cozy. It allows them to stay slightly alert to their surroundings, even in their sleep, perfect for breeds like Greyhounds, Whippets, and Italian Greyhounds, who naturally have lean bodies and enjoy lounging in elevated spots. If you notice your pup frequently choosing this position or struggling to breathe, it's always a good idea to check in with your vet to rule out any health concerns. Otherwise, just let them enjoy their elevated snooze in peace. Yeah, it's the end of our video, but the fun doesn't stop here. Did you learn something new about your pup's favorite position? Let us know in the comments how your dog sleeps. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to watch our next one: 7 signs your dog is lonely that you shouldn't ignore. Click on the screen and discover what your pup might be trying to tell you when they're feeling lonely. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel and join the Nosy Paws community. See you in the next video. Goodbye.